Good morning, students. We are going to start the chapter United Nations for the fifth standard in the subject SST. In this chapter, we will discuss about the history of the United Nations and the principal organs of the United Nations. What are the objectives of the United Nations? What are the main agencies of the United Nations? See here, some flags are there of different countries. First of all, India, then USA, UK, and then France. Many different countries having the different flags. So see, we discuss about the United Nations firstly. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization which was established to promote international cooperation, keep world peace, make the world a better place, and prevent wars. The name United Nations was the first used by Franklin D. Roosevelt and then President of the United States of America. At the time it was founded, the UN had 51 members. Now there are 193 members. What they are saying about the United Nations, the United Nations is an intergovernmental organization, and it's the main aim. Why it made? Because its main aim was to promote international cooperation. Means at the international level, they are cooperating all these states or countries with each other and making the peace in the world. It's suggested by the firstly Franklin D. Roosevelt and then the President of United States of America. Firstly, the UN had total 51 members. Means total 51 countries are joined to the United Nations, but now there are total 193 members. See the history, means why they need the United Nations. After the World War I, the nations of world formed the League of Nations. It was a place where nations could talk on their differences peacefully. But some countries like Germany, Italy and Japan ignored the League and tried to solve disputes through war. As a result, the League failed and the World War II began. This war was the most expensive in terms of human life and property. Millions died and many more were disabled. The United States of America dropped atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities in Japan. There was sorrow and horror everywhere. The people all over the world got worried about their future. After the World War I, they started the League of Nations, but some countries like the German, Italy and Japan, they ignored to the League because these all countries trying to solve all disputes with the war, not peacefully. They are solving peacefully. So the League is failed, and after this, when the League failed, all things are not in the peace. So it caused the World War, began the World War II. This war was the most expensive in terms of human life and property. In the World War II, many people were died and many more were disabled, injured, and all the things are destroyed. In the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the United States of America dropped the atom bomb in that's the cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and then all things were destroyed in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So the people all over the world worried about their future because during the World War II. So during the World War II, the allied powers often called themselves United Nations. It means united against the Axis powers. Allied powers are the military alliance who are working in the World War II. After the war, the winners formed a new organization for world peace. On 25th April 1945 in San Francisco, they decided on the name United Nations. The name was first suggested by the US President Roosevelt. The United Nations was created on 24th October 1945 and its first meeting was held on 10th January 1946. Since 1947, the 24th October has been called United Nations Day. Means after the World War II, the winners of the war, they make an organization for the world peace because they want to create peace in the world. Then on 25th April 1945, by the San Francisco, who decided about the United Nation, name United Nation, and then it was created on 24th October 1945, and its first meeting was held on 10th January 1946. So from the 1947, the 24th October, we are celebrating as a United Nations Day every year. Next is headquarters of the UN. The headquarters of the United Nations is a complex in New York City. Means firstly, headquarters of the UN is in the New York City. The complex has served as the official headquarters of the United Nations since 1952. It is located in the Turtle Bay neighborhood of Manhattan. Turtle Bay is a beach, so it is located. Which thing is located? Headquarters of the New York City is located near the Turtle Bay neighborhood of Manhattan.